shot of Andy taking a movie of.
Okay. I guess we'll just do it the easy way. Put it on auto and push the button. Actually worked reasonably well, all things considered.
I don't want to bend over.
God forbid.
Well, you don't really need to.
You want the liquid on there or not?
Oh, it just a little bit of lens tissue, but it worked pretty good there. There we go. You can do a movie of me cleaning your lens. It's actually one of the best lenses I paid $50 for this one. It was their cheap one.